What is a blast furnace? A blast furnace is a vertical shaft furnace that produces liquid metals by the reaction of air, introduced under the pressure into the bottom of the furnace with a mixture of metallic or fuel and flax feed into the top. Blast furnaces are used to produce pig iron from iron ore for subsequent processing into the steel. They are also employed in processing lead, copper, and other metals. The current of pressurized air maintains rapid combustion. Blast furnaces were used in China as early as 200 BC and appeared in the Europe and 13th century, replacing the Blomery process. Modern blast furnaces are 70 to 120 feet, 20 to 37 meter high, have 20 and 45 feet, 6 to 14 meter. Hard diameters use coke fuel and can produce 100 to 10,000 tons and 900 to 9,000 metric tons of pig iron daily. Processes in the blast furnace. Let us understand the process that take place in the blast furnace. Number 1. The introduction of charge. The charge is introduced into the furnace through the cap and cone arrangement. Number 2. The introduction of hot blast. Simultaneously, a hot blast of air is introduced into the furnace through the two ears. Number 3. Combustion of coke. Coke present in the charge burns in a hot air producing carbon dioxide, generating more heat. Number 4. Producing of carbon monoxide, reducing agent. The carbon dioxide form rises up and reacts with the incoming coke forming carbon monoxide. Number 5. Reduction of hematite. Carbon monoxide form is a powerful reducing agent. It reduces hematite to iron. Number 6. Decomposition of limestone. Due to the heat, limestone decomposes forming calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Number 7. Formation of slag. The quicklime, CEO. This form acts as a flux and combines with the anacidic impurity, converting it into calcium silicate, an easily fusible mass. This mass is called slag. The iron form is collected at the bottom of the furnace and the slag form as a layer on it. It protects the molten iron from oxidation. The iron obtained by the process is called pig iron. It contains carbon as an impurity.